Hi guys, AuntDi here with another mystery box. So it's time to unpack the Wild Side mystery box. So let's open it up and see what we find. Of course, like always, I'm doing it one-handed. I'm dropping things. And there goes another Cricut dude. But it starts off with a pile of papers. And in this we have a box of Infusible ink. We have another Infusible ink product. Transfer sheets, Infusible ink, 2 12 by 12s. I'm going to be using those in a project. We have, I guess I should put it in the camera, premium vinyl permanent. Easy to weed, and it is. I love this stuff. Another one is another permanent glossy vinyl in a fun color. Guess I should be reading the color. It's in mint. Then we have iron-on SportFlex in gray. I am an absolute lover of Cricut vinyl. We have it upside down. We have an everyday iron-on in Kelly green. We have another iron-on foil iron-on in rose gold. Oh, that's beautiful. Then we have this big box, and it is 3 StandardGrip mats that are in that envelope. I'm just not going to open the envelope at this moment. And then, of course, we have the Cricut Cutie. And in this case, this one is Latte. So let's see what that looks like. I have absolutely no idea because I have not had it open, and I don't know if I can right now because I'm doing it one-handed. I'm still here. I'm just trying to open this one-handed and hold my phone. And here she comes. So there is the latte color. That's a pretty cool color. So this mystery box is available now at Cricut.com in both the Canadian and in the American site. I have my links below. So yeah, thanks guys for supporting us, and happy crafting.